Standard 5 Environmental Science 1 Busy at work are internal organs. Questions and answers. Use your brain power. Why do we sometimes choke suddenly while eating? Answer. The food that we chew in the mouth enters the esophagus after swallowing. The upper ends of both the esophagus and the windpipe, that is trachea, open in the throat next to each other. When we swallow the food in a hurry while eating, sometimes the food suddenly enters the windpipe, causing us to suddenly choke. How is the air that we inhale purified in our body? Answer. The inner lining of the respiratory tract secretes a sticky substance called mucus. It also has hair-like structures called cilia. The air that we inhale is purified with the help of this mucus and cilia. The cilia filters the dust, smoke, microorganisms, etc. and these substances get entangled in the sticky mucus and stick to the inner lining of the nose. Sometimes the cilia push out these substances towards the nostrils, which is then blown out by sneezing. Thus, this is how air that we inhale is purified. Fill in the blanks. Oxygen gas is transported to all parts of the body. Number 2, the stomach is like a bag. Number 3, smoking causes life-threatening diseases like lung cancer. Number 4, tooth enamel is the hardest substance in our body. Number 5, maintaining coordination of the different functions in the body is the function of the brain. Match the column. Here group A and group B are given. In group B, you have direct answers printed. So group A, lungs, respiration, stomach, digestion, heart, circulation, brain, coordination. Choose the appropriate word from the bracket. A. Respiration takes place because of its up and down movement. Answer. Diaphragm. B. The process of keeping the blood flowing continuously throughout the body. Answer. Circulation. C. Air that enters through the nose passes into this tube. Answer. Trachea. Answer the following questions. Name the systems that carry out different functions of the body. Answer. The systems that carry out different functions of the body are digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, excretory system, nervous system, and skeletal system. Why do we call saliva a digestive juice? Answer. The digestive juice are the juices secreted by the glands present outside the digestive system and they help in digesting the food. When food is taken in the mouth, saliva is secreted by the glands called salivary glands into the mouth. The saliva then mixes with the food that is chewed and it converts the food into soft moist ball called bolus, which is easy to swallow. The saliva also digests the starch present in the food. Since saliva helps in digestion of food, it is called a digestive juice. Describe how the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide gases takes place in the lungs. Answer. The air that we inhale contains oxygen. This outside air reaches the lungs with the help of the respiratory organs like nose, trachea, and diaphragm. When the outside air reaches the alveoli present in the lungs, it passes into the thin blood vessels around the alveoli. With the blood, it flows through various parts of the body. At the same time, the carbon dioxide that is brought by the blood from all parts of the body leaves the blood and enters the alveoli. When we exhale, this carbon dioxide is given out. In this way, the exchange of gases takes place in the lungs. Name the following. Answer. An organ that pumps blood continuously. Heart. Number 2. An organ that expels feces. Answer. Anus. Number 3. A system that gives support and shape to the body. Answer. Skeletal system. Thank you.